in marketing management, we are going to discuss about a new term which is brand. Okay, brand, we all know that. Even we always say that I want to have a branded product of all. Even for a cell phone, we say that we want to have a branded cell phone. We prefer to go for an Apple iPhone. So that is how brand is very important in case of marketing. So what do we mean by branding? Branding is creating a corporate brand. It is creating corporate brand identity for consumer and getting that identity imprinted on the minds of the consumers, which require brand positioning and brand management. That is, brand simply when we say that it gives an identity to our product, to a company's product. But it is not that easy to create an imprint in that imprinted minds in the consumers. That is, which we have to do slow strategies need to be followed for this purpose. For this, we require brand positioning and brand management. We have to create an identity for this. Along with the related terms, we need to identify all the related terms. Brand. First term we want to discuss here is brand. Brand is a name. It is a term. It is a sign, symbol, or a combination of all this. For example, when we have Walmart, it has some name and it has a symbol with which we are able to identify the company and its quality and the price of it, right? So this is what we mean by brand. Say for example, Pepsi and Coca-Cola, we know this is the name of the product and this is the brand and it is the symbol. Even those who are uneducated, they are able to identify the sign and symbol of a particular brand. So this is how brand is helping the consumers to identify the brand. The next is brand name. Brand name is verbal component. When we say Coca-Cola or Apple iPhone or Walmart, this is the name which every product has. Then brand mark, which means it is a lettering or coloring scheme. We make the consumers, our target groups, to identify our brand making use of this lettering or color. The next is characteristics of a good brand name. So we have discussed about what is branding and what is brand and brand name. So brand name is very important. It has to create a mindset to go for a product in the minds of consumers. It plays a vital role in making the consumers to induce to go for purchase of such products. So how a brand name should be? It should be easy to pronounce, legally protected name. We should not have the other company's brand name, and it should have some power which influences and it is distinctive, which differentiates its name from other brands and competitors, and it should also say the benefits and qualities of the product and versatility, expertise. So it should be easy and it should make them understand what the product is. And then adaptability. It can also be changed according to the products when we introduce in more quantities. So these are all the characteristics of a good brand name, which is easy to pronounce, legally protected, and it has some power, it is distinctive, it shares the qualities and benefits. The next is packaging. Packaging is also one way related to branding, because you can identify a product's brand name only with the help of its packaging. So package helps in two ways. One is it helps to identify the product. Other one is it helps in protecting the product and carrying the product. So this is how the packaging is related with brand. Right? We know packaging means there may be different types of packaging. It may be an immediate container like packing, or it can also have different layers of packages. The next is labeling. Again, along with the package, we have the label of the brand which says about the ingredients of the product, the price of the product, the usage of the product, and how long it can be used. Every information is attached with this label. So it is a tag which says everything about that particular brand. So brand is also related, it can also be connected with packaging and labeling, which enhances the brand name further. When we have a better packaging, it also adds to the value.